Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2017 Honda Civic. This is the EX package, loaded with all kinds of equipment. You're gonna love it. This one comes with your premium alloy wheels. I love those wheels on this Civic. This one's going to get you your sunroof. You do have the proximity key, which is awesome. It means you just simply walk up. As long as the key's in your pocket, you touch that button, it'll lock or unlock the thing. You never have to pull the key out of your pocket. Back here, same thing, just push that. As long as the key's on you, it's going to open up. Civic's going to give you plenty of trunk space here. See that you're going to have a folding rear seat, and you can just pull that to knock that down without having to get into the car. You do have your backup camera, of course. This one's going to give you tons of room here. You can see that you have plenty of room. The Civic offers a lot of space there. Up here you're going to have all of your power options, height adjustable seat, of course side impact airbags. This one is going to give you your side view camera, which I absolutely love. As soon as you hit that signal that your display goes to your side view, you can also just push that button to activate your side view. You can have your duplicate audio controls, of course cruise control. This one has a whopping 24,000 miles on it, not even broke in. One of my favorite features, of course, is the stereo. You're going to get the premium audio with Apple CarPlay. Absolutely love it. So you're going to run your navigation through there. Of course, activate your phone, your text. Ways you can run, iHeartRadio, anything, you name it. That is just one of the best features ever, in my opinion. Auto climate control, automatic transmission, brake hold, which is awesome. That's activated. You come up to a stoplight, you come to a complete stop, let your foot off the brake, relax. As soon as you touch the gas, you take off again. Electronic brake, active econ mode, which is going to maximize your fuel economy, which is absolutely phenomenal. I'm talking, you're getting 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 in the highway. That is hybrid-like fuel economy in a gas engine. And speaking of gas engines, 24,000 miles. That is phenomenal. That phone call is probably for this car because this thing has no miles on it. No miles on it, factory warranty. City Motors, we have no processing fees. Don't get roped into that stupid processing fee game. Man, they are pulling the wool over your eyes. They're sitting there doing, we had a customer the other day said someone was trying to charge them a $1,500 fee. Don't do that stupid stuff. No fees here. Call at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7. Do not miss this one, guys, at under $17,000 for under 25,000 miles and the EX package with all the goodies. It ain't gonna sit here long. Don't miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.